Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker JBL Grip on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. I have stock Android, and on stock Android near to the name I have this pencil icon. On some devices this icon located at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with a name, not this icon. So I'm going to tap at the icon. You may need to tap at the line if you have the line. And after that you will see the same menu right here. You can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. Now, the most important is to click rename to save this new name. But in our phone it may be not rename but done or K, check mark or something else. So tap at this button and now, as you can see, we changed the name, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!